flux that I just put on to start, make sure it's melted. It's like a sheen across the metal. Again, the flux is just limiting the oxidation going on so everything fuses right. Also, you know, when the temperature is getting up there, or at the right temperatures, if the floor of the forge, which is a fire brick, is the same temperature as the metal, meaning if I move the metal, you shouldn't see any cold spots underneath it. So we should be good to go. We'll get our hammer ready. Back down to 5 psi. But yeah, I think that came out pretty good. It's hard to see on the camera. First completed